at Industrial Automation and Solutions. Empowering industries through innovative automation solutions. At Industrial Automation and Solutions, IAS, we are dedicated to revolutionizing the industrial landscape by providing cutting-edge automation services and tailored solutions. With a commitment to efficiency, reliability, and technological excellence, we bring a new era of productivity to our clients in various industries. What sets us apart? 1. Expertise. Our team of skilled professionals brings extensive expertise in industrial automation, ensuring that your processes are optimized for peak performance. 2. Custom solutions. We understand that every industry is unique. 2. That's why we offer customized automation solutions designed to meet the specific needs and challenges of your business. 3. Innovation. Staying at the forefront of technological advancements, we integrate the latest automation technologies to enhance your operational efficiency and drive sustainable growth. Our services. 1. Industrial automation. From PLC programming to robotic integration, we specialize in automating processes to streamline operations and reduce manual intervention. 2. Control systems. Our proficiency in designing and implementing advanced control systems ensures precision and reliability in your industrial processes. 3. Maintenance and support. We provide ongoing support and maintenance services to keep your automation systems running seamlessly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Why choose Industrial Automation and Solutions, IAS? 1. Proven track record. We have a successful track record of delivering results for clients across diverse industries, earning their trust through consistent excellence. 2. Client-centric approach. Our client-centric philosophy ensures that we understand your unique challenges and goals, working collaboratively to achieve measurable success. 3. Quality assurance. Rigorous quality control measures are embedded in our processes, guaranteeing that our solutions meet the highest industry standards. Transform your industrial processes with Industrial Automation and Solutions. Partner with us to unlock new possibilities, drive efficiency, and propel your business towards a future of unparalleled success. Contact us today to explore how our industrial automation services can elevate your operations to the next level. Email address: info@industrialautomationandsolutions.com